integrity of our police department. Austin would respond by stating that the top cop shop receipt had been faked.
People made up a receipt that we paid actor cops. They typed it out, made it up, and the fact that it was just typed up very professional, they thought it was real. And then they took one of the cops that looked like he was from a movie and put the two pictures together and said it's the same cop, but it was completely different.
4 days later, the Ace family would move to a new property and things seemed to go back to normal. However, the Ace family's housing problems were far from over. Only a few short months later, Austin explained that while filming a video with Faye's rug, he would notice two almost finished side-by-side houses close to where they lived. And for content, there were videos inside them after getting permission from the builder.
Away.
Not only had they paid a premium of approximately $4 million to have the houses combined, but they also paid $10 million for a property in an area where very few had sold